esteemed colleagues, practitioners, and stakeholders. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to this pivotal workshop on landscape restoration dynamics and governance, specially tailored for forestry practitioners in Nigeria. And as we gather here today, we stand at a crucial juncture in our collective efforts to restore and sustainably manage our forest landscapes, which are vital not only for environmental health, but also for the socio-economical well-being of our communities.
Today, we gather at a pivotal moment in our nation's environmental history, where the urgency to restore our landscapes has never been more critical. Nigeria faces significant challenges due to deforestation, land degradation, and impacts of climate change. Our forests are not just vital resources, they are the backbone of our ecosystem, supporting biodiversity and providing livelihood for millions.
Effective governance is crucial for the success of landscape restoration efforts, and our discussions in this training will focus on the need for strong institutional frameworks that promote collaboration among various stakeholders. And that is why we have among us here not just lecturers, we have practitioners, we have NGOs, we have those working in the ministry to let us know that this is not a one-man show. It is we all need to come together to be able to make restoration work in Nigeria.
The Nigerian government has committed to restoring 4 million hectares of degraded land as part of the African Forest Landscape Restoration Initiative, FR100, aligning with global effort to combat climate change and promote sustainable development.
By leveraging on our collective expertise and commitment, we can pave the way for a greener future for Nigeria, one where restored landscapes contribute to climate resilience, biodiversity conservation, and improved livelihoods.
This workshop aims to do 4 things, basically. Number 1, enhance knowledge sharing. Facilitate discussions on effective strategies for landscape restoration that incorporate ecological principles and governance frameworks. Promote collaboration. Foster partnership among practitioners, policymakers, and community stakeholders to create a unified approach towards forest restoration. 3, empower local communities. And 4, develop actionable strategies. In other words, identify practical steps that can be taken at local, state, and national level to implement successful landscape restoration initiatives. On these notes, I hereby, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, declare this workshop on landscape restoration dynamics and governance for forest practitioners in Nigeria officially open.